Math Models Application. A financial service company offers savings vehicles, such as CDs, to its clients. CDA has an amount of $2,000, a term of 1 year, and an annual interest rate of 5% paid annually. Okay, I know you're wondering why, Mr. Spencer, are we doing this? This look like finance, or it look like compound interest. Well, honestly, it's present value. And what we're going to do is we're going to answer this question, we're going to solve this question using the present value formula. And then we're going to try to write a function and be able to solve this same problem with a function. So, the present value, or excuse me, the future value formula is equal to present value times 1 plus the rate to the power of n. N represents the number of years or the terms of years. Okay, so let's plug in our values and get rid of our variables. Present value will equal 2,000, and when we add 1 plus 5%, we would end up with 1.05, and our exponent will be 1. So basically we don't even need to write the 1 up there because we won't use it. Everything inside the parentheses will stay the same. I'm going to let you guys answer the questions, and then I'm going to help you check it using functions. Meaning that we're going to work the same problem using functions. Matter of fact, right now you need to start brainstorming of how to write a function with this word problem. Okay, we are still on the financial problem, and I hope that you did your brainstorming and that you got all of your functions and everything that you need in your head and on your paper. Alright, let's read it again, and let's kind of plug in the formula again so we'll know what we're working with. A financial service company offers savings vehicles such as CDs to its clients. CDA has an amount of $2,000, a term of 1 year, and an annual interest rate of 5%. I want you to write this equation as a function. Now remember, we were looking for the future value. Future value equals present value times 1 plus the rate to the power of n. Okay? And I will also put your values up for you as well. 2,000 times 1.5 to the power of 1. Okay, so how will we write this as a function? This is a great discussion. I'm going to give you a few seconds to pause. Think about how would you set it up as a function. And when I come back, I'll show you what I came up with. Okay, let's go. F of x would equal PV, and g of x would equal 1 plus r to the power of n. Now, I can use the exponential, however, I have a power to 1, and a power to 1 would not affect my parentheses, so I can still do it as a linear equation. Okay, so I'm going to set it up as F times G, which equals F times G of X. Now the way we would set this problem up is we would substitute X with G of X. And our problem would read more of F times 1 plus R, and after we work everything inside the parentheses, our answer will be F equals 1.5, F times 1.5. Now, we would need to write the function f of x and substitute what we got for g of x. Okay, so now f of x equals, now f is now 2,000, and we substituted what we got for g of x for x, which is 1.05. Now all we have to do is just simply solve. 2,000 times 1.5 would equal $2,100. If you answered A on the last question, then you got it correct. Y'all, we're gonna try our best to bring real life situations into functions, or functions into real life situations. Functions are a part of our everyday life, and we need to be able to calculate them, understand them, identify them, represent them, and be able to determine. I thank you for your time, and I look forward to you turning in your quiz, and I want that output for studying to increase. Excuse me, that input for studying to increase, so that we can get an increase in grades. Thank you once again. Have a great day.